Yeah.
Oh, that was a good sleep. Right. Today I've got something very, very, very excited planned for us, right? And I think that you guys will be very excited about it. So we've got a new car that's going to be waiting. Matthew's on the way to pick me up. I think he's outside already. I'm just getting a snack. Right, yeah, he's outside. Yo, bro, what's good?
Yeah, good.
Alright, yeah.
Picking up this car.
Yeah.
Didn't tell me what it was. You just told me it was a convertible.
Yeah. Yes. Off in the farting thing.
Any convertible looks nice.
Yeah. I mean, hopefully
Most of
you and you guys like it.
You said it was a good deal for what it was.
Yeah. Yeah, so I did get a good offer on this car, which is quite good actually. So you'll see. Yeah, I do have to finalise all the paperwork, so I'm gonna take it out for a test drive first, and seeing how you like it, I'll get you into the passenger seat. Yeah. I'm excited. Alright, just park up at the front. Oh, I see it. It's in the body shop.
Oh,
Yeah, just park it. I'm not. No, why are you parking it so close? Alright.
that's walking.
I'm gonna go ask the guy at the desk if he's there to go see. Alright. Let's go ask the guy at the front to see if what? Where is the guy? Well, yeah, I'm going to leave. I'm just going to take it out for a test drive here. Right, I'll come back with the paperwork and all the deals later, and we'll go get it. Okay. I've already put insurance on this thing, but we're just taking it out to a test drive to make sure that it's fully.
Okay.
Right, you ready?
Yep. That looks nice.
Yeah. This is what I bought.
Custom license plate.
Yeah, custom license plate. Because this is the second Lamborghini I
own. Okay.
Yeah. And a convertible Spider, yeah. Very nice. Should we?
2012?
Huh?
2012?
Yeah. Should we get a cold start?
Okay. Fire it up.
Okay. Yeah!
Oh, my ears!
Hold on a sec. Hold on. Let me Oh, look at these seats.
Oh, that red interior.
We better get in. Luckily, it's a nice sunny day this morning. Let's go take it out for a test drive.
You've got a carbon fiber cover around the stick.
alright, we'll get to some open space and we'll go do a call. And then we'll take it back in and finalise everything.
This
150, I don't want to get pulled over. So. Yeah, change. Oh, yeah. Right. No one's here, so probably it's alright if I can just. God, this thing's nice though. How's it already got so much fuel? I'm on a quarter of a tank. Quarter of a tank fuel. So, they probably didn't put very much in it. Huh?
Do you read or something like that?
Yeah. They probably just put it in.
Yeah.
This thing's nippy. Well, it's not nippy. Very fast.
It's still got a good breaker out of double.
Yeah. One park up. Oh! Straight
At least we know it has good brakes.
Looks like it's gonna rain. Right,
Yeah,
your
maybe
parking
not.
skills there are a little bit off. Right, I'm gonna go finalise the paperwork.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, I've done all the paperwork. So, I'm gonna drive home. We should probably go get some more fuel. But I'm gonna go get some more fuel. Yeah.
What you want me to get?
Right, I'm gonna go to the burn house. Oh, that's not very good riding.
It's awfully quiet.
Right, let's see how much this costs. So 17.5 gallons, $70.
Somehow I just stole this.
I mean, this road's technically one way. Hold on, I'll turn back in. I'm gonna head back home.
There's no one here.
Yeah, sure. I mean, I could get through it.
Yeah, I'm getting Scotty.
Bro, did you get me anything?
Yeah, I've got you.
We're parking in disabled spots. Or not. Yeah. Get me anything.
Yeah,
Oh!
Scotty.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
And here's also your air.
Yes.
Forgot your air. Here's your air.
like my airships. Right, let's go then.
There was 3 stars in this round.
What are you doing? I'm gonna do you do pull. Damn, nothing's fast. Alright, slow down, I'm doing pull. Alright, hold on. If there's a red light up here. Oh, it's green. Oh, no, it's turning yellow. Oh, whoops, daisies. Right, race. This is a very long red line. I'm gonna break my flipping. Oh, that was. I shifted into first and back into neutral. Oh, you're coming. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, bro, don't slow down, bro. Let's park this next to my Mackie and another Lambo.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
see you later.
See you later, buddy.
Right, that's option 2 then. Subscribe!